Welcome to Barrera Restoration LLC. With over 8 years of experience with the most reliable solutions in Louisville, Kentucky, we are leaders in providing exceptional services working with gutters, roofing, emergency tarp, deck, tree removal, and other services at affordable and fair prices. Learn more about us and our services through our website at www.barrerarestorationllc.com. You can also reach us to make an appointment at 803-569-0973 or via email to barrerallc502@gmail.com. Barrera Restoration LLC, professional residential and